When you go outside and just take a nice breath in, you start to feel something like there's a moment of switch that actually activate your body, and you know how to do it, right? Because it's a survival mechanism. But why not use it more intentionally? And what I also want to share is that we might think that our energy is limited. So we have a certain limit of energy, like a lightning bulb, whatever. But is it really true? Meaning that, okay, there's like sunshine, the wind flowing, and this magnificent movement. I actually see myself like a vessel connecting all this nature energy. Just imagine there's a sky above you and the air is abundant, and you are just standing here with me in the park with a beautiful green, and you are just there. You feel something coming like from the universe, maybe like air. And when you just put yourself, there is energy. And when you breathe in, you can take that energy into your body. And also you are accepting the body, maybe from the crown. Who said that our energy amount is limited? Because once you just start to think differently, and okay, I'm tired, but okay, I want to have to see the sunshine or whatever, sunset. And have you ever felt, oh, I feel more energized just seeing the beautiful scenery or the ocean? So I think that's a natural superpower that we already possess. Maybe our ancestors possess more because time was slow and no PC or social media around. But just letting that to perceive, okay, I can take in like energy whenever I need from the nature or breathing or whatever, then I think it just, you are starting to develop how your body functions.
What you're saying is that there is an infinite source of energy in nature, in the universe that's all around us. So we don't actually have to do anything extra to top up our energy. It's more about becoming aware, becoming conscious that, okay, my energy level is going down. What can I do to make it go up again? And for instance, I might realize that I've been sitting too long, and so I need to move. And when I move, I generate some energy and I feel more alive and awake. And then there's also what you said about reconnecting with nature. When I go outside, when I see a beautiful sunrise or a sunset, it reminds me that there is a huge world out there that I'm often not aware of because I'm too busy inside my own head or doing my own things. And so when I actually look up, look at the sky, look at nature, feel the wind, I reconnect with that source of power. And that gives me another boost of energy.
And here's the exciting part. I have a special gift for you that can truly make a difference in your life. It's my free guide called Unlocking the 5 Hidden Gems for Perimenopause Symptoms Relief. This guide empowers you to find natural relief and unleash your inner radiance without relying on supplements or hormones. Inside, you'll discover the secrets to naturally finding relief from your symptoms. I'll guide you through challenges that are often misunderstood, helping you find effective solutions that work for many women just like you. Imagine saying goodbye to restless nights and those annoying hot flashes, and embracing life with renewed energy and vibrancy. What would that look like for you? This guide is your first step toward menopause revolution. Click the link in the description below to instantly access your free guide and join me on this amazing journey to your vibrant self in your prime years. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!